guys, I have ice in my mouth, but I hope I don't swallow it. We are on our way to Ross. And I can't believe we're still finding stuff for 49 cents, 99 cents, $1.49, $1.99. I'm gonna go see what we can find.
Am I gonna win here too?
No, I'm gonna win. All right, you guys ready? We're about to run into Ross. Give this video a thumbs up. You know what? I almost walked into this window thinking it was a door. All right, wish us luck. All right, look what we found. We are in Ross, and I killed this deal. Look at this. You got the dark chocolate sea salt caramel. Look at this, you guys. Watch this. Boom, 49 cents. We got all these for 49 cents. 49 cents. Oh, that one. Oh, there you go. 49. You got this one, 49. What else did we get? We ended up getting this, I'm not sure how this tastes, but this is the raspberry Radiance. And this is a big bag, you guys. I'm showing it UPC like I'm in Walmart. Look at that. 49 cents. 49 cents. And I found all this chocolate. This one's 99 cents for some reason, but it's still a good price. It's the same thing. So some are 49, some are 99. This one's 49 cents. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is a 7.1 ounce bag, so it's pretty big. Come over here. So we got the sea salt one. Look at all the ones we have here. These are all 49. We got this one. These are the squares. And it looks like you get the mint, the caramel, and what does that say? That last one? I'm not even gonna go there.
Cacao.
Okay, I'm gonna let you say it. So it comes with 3 different ones. There's the back. Doesn't that look good? And look at this, you guys. 49, 49. All right. We found this one. 49. And I found some. I had too many in my cart, so I actually put some in Manny's cart. Look at this one. I found a milk chocolate assortment. You guys, look at this. A big bag. This bag is 8.2 ounces. Look at this. Boom, 99 cents. I beat you.
It's not over.
Look at all this chocolate. What are we gonna do with all this chocolate?
I'm gonna eat half of it.
We can't eat that. All right, and let's see what else. This is the biggest bag I've seen. This is the chocolate squares milk chocolate. It has a bunch of stars, red, white, and blue stars. I have no clue, but I don't care. This is a 15 ounce bag. This bag is really big, really heavy. I'm gonna turn it around. Look at this. $1.49. We're gonna be eating chocolate for days. We could list and eat chocolate. How about that? All right, so this is a huge bag. So we got that one. We also got this one. Look at that, $1.49. If you come over here, Manny actually came over to where I was because he seen that I was scoring all of this. And again, we're at Ross. And so he came over in my section. You cheater. And he got these. So this is the butter crunch toffee. Ooh, that sounds good. I might open this in the car. All right, so it comes with a bunch of... That's not for sale. I'm eating one. All right, so this one right here comes with a bunch of... it has 17 pieces. 17. This is a 7.3 ounce. I know you guys have heard of this. These are actually really good. And look at this. 99 cents. I mean, you didn't have to come in my area. You could have looked for your sheets. Here's another one that Manny found. So we got one down here, one here. This one's also 99 cents. You guys, we are still scoring like crazy in Ross. Look at these. I showed you these. My cart was full, so I had to borrow Manny's cart since he has nothing in it.
It's in my cart, it's mine. So.
All right, you can have it. So these are all 49. Look at this. 49. Boom. 49. You cannot beat. Come on. How much are these in the store? They're at least $5-6. All right, and found another one of these. 49 cents. 49. We got 2 more of the dark chocolate sea salt caramel, which looks so good. Boom, 49. Everything in our cart is 49, except for these. These are $1.49, so $1 more. But look how many you get. This is a huge bag, and then we got all of these. So the next time you guys hit up Ross, make sure you check for this chocolate. All this chocolate, we actually found all this, hint hint, by the register. You know, when you guys are going in line and they have all that food stuff and candy, that's where we found it. It was hidden at the bottom shelf. You guys, we scored on this candy. I cannot believe it. Look at that. Let us know if you guys are able to score any of these. Good luck.